Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Paychex Review My Usage Experience. Paychex Review My Usage Experience offers payroll and HR services for small to medium-sized businesses. Its main purpose is to simplify payroll processing, employee management, and HR tasks. Key features include payroll calculation, tax filing, direct deposit, time and attendance tracking, and employee self-service portals. Their website provides details on all the features and pricing plans. Paychex positions itself as a comprehensive solution aiming for ease of use and efficiency. Their website highlights features like automated payroll processing and reporting, aiming for time savings and reduced administrative burden. They emphasize accurate and compliant payroll processing, which is a major benefit. Pricing transparency isn't explicitly stated on the initial pages, but they offer various plans to suit different business sizes. Availability is nationwide. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Paychex. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through setting up my company profile, employee information, and payroll preferences. The interface is quite intuitive, though it took a bit of time to learn all the nooks and crannies. For example, initially, I struggled a little with configuring the different tax settings, but after watching a few of their tutorial videos, it became much clearer. The system performed reliably, payroll processing was quick and accurate, and the direct deposit feature worked flawlessly. I had a quick question about setting up a new employee, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, providing a clear overview of payroll information, employee hours, and upcoming deadlines. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reporting. It saved me a significant amount of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for quick access to information on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Paychex. It streamlined my payroll processes considerably, and the support team is responsive and helpful. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs. That's my overview of Paychex Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.